In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop OneDrive from using up local disk space in Windows 11, updated 2026 full guide. If OneDrive is quietly filling your C drive, the good news is you can keep everything safely in the cloud while freeing up gigabytes on your PC. We'll start inside the OneDrive app to stop automatic backups that duplicate your files locally, then convert large files and folders to online only, and finally restart to confirm the space is back. First, look to the right side of your taskbar and click the OneDrive cloud icon. If you don't immediately see it, select the small arrow to show hidden icons, and then choose the cloud. That opens the OneDrive menu. Click Help and Settings, and then Settings to bring up the main OneDrive Preferences window. In Settings, go to the Sync and Backup tab. Here, turn off Folder Backup if it's enabled. This backup, sometimes called Desktop, Documents, and Pictures Backup, mirrors those known folders into OneDrive and keeps local copies as well. Disabling it stops new files from automatically syncing down to your PC, which helps control how much space OneDrive uses. Windows may ask you to confirm. Follow the on-screen prompt so the change takes effect. Your files remain in OneDrive and accessible from the web and any other device signed in with your account. Next, open File Explorer and browse to your OneDrive folder. Identify the items taking up the most space. A quick tip: use the View menu to switch to Details and sort by size so the biggest folders and files rise to the top. Right-click a large file or an entire folder you don't need offline and select Free Up Space. This marks the content as online only. The files still appear in File Explorer as placeholders and download instantly when you open them, but they no longer consume local disk space in the background. If you later need a folder available without internet, you can always reverse this by right-clicking it and choosing Always Keep on this device. Work through your heaviest folders first, things like archives, videos, or old project directories, until you've cleared what you need. You don't have to do everything at once. You can come back and free up more as you go. When you're done, restart your PC. A quick reboot refreshes OneDrive's cache and lets Windows update its storage calculations. After the restart, open File Explorer, select this PC, and check the free space on your local drive. You should see a noticeable increase. That's it. Your files stay secure in the cloud, and your Windows 11 machine gets its disk space back.